Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some truly inspiring ideas about money. We're not just talking about the basic habit of saving, we're talking about a mindset shift, making your money work for you instead of you working for your money. Let's get started. Let's start with a big idea. True wealth is about freedom, not just fancy things. Many people try to look rich by buying expensive items to impress others. But real financial strength comes from building a solid foundation. Imagine having enough money so your investments can pay for your ideal life. That's what we call financial independence. It means you own your time. You have the power to say no to a job you dislike, and you are no longer controlled by your monthly bills. One common trap we often fall into is buy now, pay later. It's everywhere today, from online shopping to electronic stores. It sounds easy and harmless, but you must understand that these are actually small loans. If you miss a single payment, the high interest rates and fees can grow quickly. We encourage a save first, buy later habit. This simple shift in your psychology protects you from the stress of debt and gives you peace of mind. When you buy something with money you already have, you truly own it, and it feels much better. For many young people today, the cost of living is rising, and constant advertising creates a lot of pressure to spend. But here is the secret. Building wealth is not about having endless willpower. It's about creating smart systems that work for you automatically. For example, the most important system is your emergency fund. This is a cash cushion of 3 to 6 months of living expenses kept in a separate account. This fund acts as your safety net for unexpected events like losing a job or a medical emergency. When you have a system in place, you don't have to decide to be disciplined every day. The system handles the discipline for you. Before you start picking stocks or crypto, you must invest in yourself. You are your own greatest asset. Your first priority should be to eliminate, meaning to completely get rid of, any high-interest debt, especially credit card debt. Paying 20% interest is like throwing your future wealth away. After that, focus on increasing your earning potential. Spend time and money on learning new skills, attending workshops, or mastering a new language. Knowledge is the only investment that never loses value and always pays the best interest. By improving yourself, you open doors to new opportunities that can change your financial life forever. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a race. It doesn't happen overnight, but through small, consistent steps. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.